What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Young and Driven Fitness. You know I'm all about having other things in life than fitness. That can't be your one and only thing, so I wanted to let you guys know what my other passion is, and it's muscle cars. If any of y'all connect and like muscle cars too, you may enjoy this, but to get close with everybody, just let everybody know more about me. So this is one of my passions right here. Check it out. This is my car, 2003 Cobra, just messing around, having a little bit of fun. Everybody should have fun and enjoy life. Please go straight. Please go. Thank you. Woo woo. I'm doing some 0 to 60, 0 to 80, 90 runs. Just having a little bit of fun, guys. Life's all about having fun and having a good time, laughing, enjoying yourself, and getting shit done and accomplishments while you're enjoying yourself. But that's about it, guys. Stay young, stay driven, enjoy your life.